and make a new one of those. I feel like it'll be easier for me and saving time if I can fold this down, and I'll be putting a screen on the top. It fits over that lip. That's actually perfectly flat, but the front does have an arch, and that's crucial in having this fit. There's really barely enough room. There's only about a 1/4 inch where that, if you slide the actual hatch forward, where you can fit in right in between. So this will be covered up with something else, more of a hard top. But this is going to be key because I'll be living in the boat and it can be buggy out where I'm at. I made a plunge cut first and stopped it at the corners, and then I decided to put the hinges on so that when I make these cuts, the hinges are already holding this exactly where I want it. And I made sure that this max width, when this folds this way, will fit in this dimension, and also this height has to be less than this if I want it to lay flat. Alright, I've got these 2 lines cut almost to the corner, and I'll meet that with the handsaw, and then this should be perfectly in place. I went ahead and made a notch down the sides and the bottom. This entryway hatch is a lot thicker than the previous one, and it'll be more heavy duty, so I wanted to use a thicker piece. This is recycled off of the house that I was living in. It was torn down and this came off the walls. The idea is to have this door, when it closes, create a little bit of a barrier from the outside so the door can't push the other direction. I decided to move these hinges on the outside of these pieces that reinforce and keep the water out, but there it is. It opens all the way up, and then close that if I want to keep the weather out or the bugs or the rain. Good. Fits nicely. And of course this will be higher. It'll be the boom. This is the mast covering. Finally ready to put this screen on, and then you can grab the screen a little bit and pull it. There it is. It's not perfect, but that'll keep the bugs out at least.